Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to send and receive money online? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create and set up your PayPal account in 2025. Fast, secure, and beginner-friendly. First of all, go to paypal.com or download the PayPal app from your Play Store or App Store. Click on Sign Up button from the upper right corner. Choose your account type, select personal or business. Personal account if you are using PayPal shopping, freelancing, or sending money. Pick business account if you are selling products or services. Then click Get Started. Now enter your country name like India. Then get started. Then enter your email address. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary mail. Then click Next. Now enter your phone number. Now I will use the temporary phone number and number for India. Select a number, then enter. Now create a strong password. Then click next. Now enter your full name, middle name, last number, date of birth, then click next. Make sure it's secure as PayPal handles sensitive transactions. Next, provide your mobile number, home address, and date of birth. Helps verify your identity and secure your account. Check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link to verify. You will also receive a text with a code to verify your phone number. To send or receive money, link a bank account or debit card. Go to wallet or from the dashboard, select link a bank account. Then click then enter your details and confirm. To verify your bank, PayPal will send two small deposits. Check your bank and enter the amounts into PayPal to confirm. Now go to Settings, then Security tab, and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection when logging in. Customize your currency, enable email notifications, and link any apps or platforms like eBay or Fiverr if needed. That's it. Your PayPal account is now ready to send, receive, and manage money online. Like and subscribe for more finance tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.